In 1904, in Latrobe, Pennsylvania, a young apprentice pharmacist named David Strickler invented what would become an American icon, the banana split. Today, we're going to build that very dessert from the ground up with two phenomenal chefs. We have Latrobe's own diner legend, Chef David Smitty Smith, and the brilliant pastry artisan, Chef Clara Higgins. Let's start with the heart of it all, the ice cream.
All right, listen up. A real banana split starts with real ice cream, and that means a good custard base. You're going to need whole milk, heavy cream, sugar, and egg yolks. Heat it all slow and steady in a heavy-bottomed pot. The magic number is 180 Fahrenheit. That's 82 Celsius. Don't you dare scramble those eggs. Pull it off the heat the second it coats the back of a spoon. That's your foundation.
Now, that is a beautiful base, Smitty. For the finest flavor, you must chill that custard completely, preferably overnight. This ages it, which gives the final ice cream a smoother texture. For our three classics, you'll split this base into thirds. For vanilla, use a whole split vanilla bean. For strawberry, a puree from the best berries you can find. And for chocolate, high-quality Dutch processed cocoa powder. Then you just churn each one.
Can't have a split without sauces. For the hot fudge, it ain't complicated. You boil a cup of heavy cream with a half cup of sugar. Once it's bubbling, kill the heat and whisk in 4 ounces of good unsweetened chocolate until it's smooth as glass. That's it. Keep it warm, around 120 Fahrenheit or 50 Celsius, so it pours just right. No shortcuts, no corn syrup, just the good stuff.
And for our fruit toppings, precision is key to preserving that fresh flavor. For both the pineapple and strawberry sauces, you'll simply combine 1 cup of finely diced fruit with a 1/4 cup of sugar. Gently bring the mixture to a simmer, holding it right around 195 Fahrenheit or 90 Celsius. You want to soften the fruit and dissolve the sugar without boiling away all that beautiful natural essence.
Last couple of things before we build this beauty. The nuts gotta be toasted. Get some walnuts, spread them on a pan, and pop them in a 350-degree oven. That's 175 Celsius for about 6 minutes. For the whipped cream, just whisk cold heavy cream with powdered sugar and vanilla for 3 minutes till you get nice soft peaks. Don't overdo it or you'll get butter.
The final assembly is a work of art and science, y'all. Your serving dish, a classic 20-centimeter glass boat, must be well chilled. This prevents premature melting. Split your banana lengthwise and lay it in the boat. Place 1 scoop of each ice cream, vanilla and strawberry, right between the banana halves. The order is important for the traditional look. Then, and only then, do you apply your toppings.
And there you have it, the ultimate banana split, built from scratch. A huge thank you to Chef Smitty and Chef Clara for their incredible expertise. Remember these 3 things. First, temperature control is everything, from cooking the custard to chilling the boat. Second, use the best ingredients you can find. It truly matters. And third, respect the classic architecture. Now go make a piece of history in your own kitchen.